Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Veeape electric balloon pump system. It is portable and it has a quick fill function. It has an inflatable bed pump with 5 nozzles, air pump for air mattress, blower for inflatables devices, 110 voltage, AC 12 volt DC inflator and deflator. It has a vacuum storage bags, so you can use it. I am going to use it for balloons, for party balloons of course, but you also can use it for others. You can use it as inflatable and deflatable device. The Veeape Air Blower or what you need is a powerful that it can not only inflate items but can also vacuum air out of storage bags. But note, this air pump is not rechargeable. It is multifunction. They have 5 nozzles of different size in the air pumps for inflatables, allowing us to inflate and deflate air mattresses, pools, rafts, sofas, bathtub, air beds, boats, pool toys, swimming rings, inflating air cushions, inflatables, furnitures, and in my case balloons, and vacuum storage bags, etc. Because of the different nozzles, it's no problem. That electric pump for air mattress has a novel design. It inflates efficiently, such much higher than the manual pump way. It has a fast inflation with a strong electronic engine inside. It's really strong and it's fast. You will see it. The air pump is compatible with 12 volt DC and 110 voltage AC power supply in the States. In Europe, you can also use it for 240 or 230 volt. It's no problem. It has power supply in the box to inflate at the beginning. Just put the inflatable head to the filling holder, then press the switch to on, and then you can install a nozzle on top. And if you are pushing a balloon on top and push down the nozzle, the air pump will start automatically. In option number 2, it will start because of the button, of course. So press the button, start filling, easy. To deflate, you should put the inflatable head in the vent hole, then press the switch to deflate. The electronic air mattress pumps are simple to operate. The high pressure AC electric pump for everything is easy, is good packed and good for transport. It has a quick air bed pump for easy and fast pumping, really easy and fast. It's no problem. It's reliable and efficient, no worry to damage. Quick and high pressure saves the precious time. Portable and lightweight, carry around easily. 5 different universal nozzles, realize multi-purpose uses. Sleek and compact design, very comfortable to hold in your hand. Inflation and deflation pump, one pump for most inflatables devices. So take care. You have to press down the nozzle button. The balloon will be inflated. But do not use it for inflating high pressure products like tires or basketballs. Don't use the balloon pump continuously more than 15 minutes. Otherwise the pump may be power off automatically to protect itself. Please check the product before use and do not use it if it is abnormal. Do not block the air intake when inflating. This is on the bottom side. Keep the airflow clear. If abnormal noises or excessive temperature occurs during work, Please turn off the power immediately and wait until the temperature drops before restart. Don't go away while the product is working, of course. The size is 135 to 140 to 85 millimeters. The maximum power is 350 watt. This is really strong. The inflate pressure is 14 kilopascal, and this is also a good value. The suction pressure is the same. The inflation airflow 600 liter per minute if you use YAM nozzle. The working temperature is from minus 10 degrees Celsius up to 60. These are 14 Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The working noise is round about 70 decibel at 1 meter or 3.28 feet range. And the continuously working period is 15 minutes. The working voltage is 110 up to 120 volt, 60 Hz for the States, and 220 up to 230 voltage, 50 Hz for European use. It is, you have some nozzles. It is, for example, here I'm using the nozzle for the balloons, lightweight and portable designs, easily create a warm atmosphere. And this balloon inflates commonly used in some activities, festivals, parties, celebrations, and of course decorations. The nozzle itself is 2.5 centimeters to 6 centimeters, and at the tip it is 1 centimeter in the front side. Then you have the large nozzle. The large nozzle is for padding pools and inflatable beds. Do not operate over 10 minutes by using the large nozzle. Please rest 5 minutes to avoid overheating. This large nozzle is 2.5 centimeters to 5 centimeters, and on the tip 1.5 centimeters. Then you have the medium nozzle. This is for small air beds. And there's the same, do not operate over 10 minutes. And this is 2.5 centimeters to 7 centimeters, and then the tip is 1.5. And this is for baby float, for air beds, little swimming pools. Then the small nozzle, 7 millimeters for swimming rings. This is the same, do not operate over 5 minutes, la 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 la. And here it is 2.5 centimeters on the bottom, 6.5 centimeters in the length, and 0.7 on the tip. This is the right thing for swim rings. Really easy. Put the item in a storage bag, then zip up the storage bag, then pump it with air and pump down, and it's completed after work. Your bag, so deflate. Your bag will be air-tight, vacuum-packed, less than 3 minutes. Medium-small bag. Electric pump is portable, durable, and powerful. 3 times more space in your suitcase, backpack, or closets. You can keep a variety of items such as clothes, towels, curtains, lines, blankets, pillows, etc. It's really easy to use. Make a vacuum with it, job's done by using the pump. And there's a so a balloon knot system is really awesome. Hold the balloon from the left to the right of the knotter, then loop the knot of the balloon from below around, and knot the balloon mouth out of the cord slot. Pull it out, job's done. Balloon has knotted. There are 2 gears to inflate balloons. It will inflate a balloon in seconds, very fast, but consistent inflate rate to prevent your balloons bursting. Better much than manual hand pump and mouth. After the balloon is full of air, is the balloons with the balloon tying tool to prevent the air from leaking. The best suitable for advertising balloons, promotionally activities, and balloon decorations and festival scenes layouts. That electric balloon inflator sets its other great design for it. Yeah, for Christmas, anniversary, and special celebrations. You will have an unforgettable party here. You can easily build balloon column and balloon archers. Reduce the time required to set up the balloon decorations activities. Save balloon decorations and costs. but do not use it with footballs, rugby tires, or basketballs. Then nothing can happen. Only a pump thing will happen, and it will get you the pump inside your balloons. You will get a smart balloon pool, a nozzle for balloon, a nozzles L, M, and S, suction nozzle, and the balloon tying knot, and the balloon deco strip. This is really nice. I like it. And let's go to decorate some party stuff. One of the premier selling points of this pump is the fact that it is electric device. That means you aren't going to become restless or extremely tired trying to seal storage bags as you might with a manual pump. Additionally, it is powerful than a manual pump, meaning you can remove all excess air and the bags will be as small tight and possible when you're ready to store items or you close it. You place the storage bags in your suitcases when traveling, so you can use it to inflate and deflate. I'm using it for inflate my balloons, and that it is. And it looks really nice. It is easy to use. You have two options. You have a handheld design, and you have a switch, open, second gear. Then compression pumping function is really easy to manage, and that it is. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.